Ever wondered how businesses send those perfectly timed and engaging SMS messages directly to your phone? Today, we're diving into how to create impactful SMS messages using Plivo, a powerful platform for communication. First, you'll need to log into your Plivo account if you don't have one. Signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, navigate to the messaging section. This is your SMS command center. Click on Send Message here. You'll see the options for composing your SMS. This is where the magic happens. Start by selecting your phone number. This is the Plivo phone number that your message will be sent from. Make sure you've purchased a Plivo phone number. Next, enter the number, the recipient's phone number. Double check this number to avoid any errors. Now, it's time to craft your message. Keep it concise and engaging. Consider adding a call to action. Enhance your message with formatting. Use short URLs to save space and track clicks. Personalization is key. Use merge tags to include customer names or specific details. Finally, click Send. Your SMS message is on its way. Remember to track your message delivery and engagement within the Plivo platform to optimize your future SMS campaigns. That's it. You've successfully created an SMS message with Plivo. Visit Plivo.com to learn more about creating engaging SMS messages and elevate your communication strategy.